Hello, welcome. Here we are for day 18 of the 2021 Lego Harry Potter Advent Calendar Reveal and Build. 18, just up here. I think I said in yesterday's video that I thought today would be a minifig. Let's see how my prediction is, and it is. That looks like it could be Ron. With a chocolate frog and something else in his hand. Okay. We have Ron and his wand. I'll take that one off. You always get two wands in these sets, so you always end up with a spare. So a few of those spares now put together. Well, that's interesting. It's not only, I got two of those. I wonder if that's an error. Got two of those. So I actually ended up with 4 wands, but I think I only need 1. So anyway, the more the merrier. It's Christmas time, so I'll make Ron a happy face. That is, in fact, if it is Ron, which I think it is. Okay, give him his wand and that piece there, and another chocolate frog. So let's zoom out. 18, I guess he'll go at the beginning of the map, although I might place him somewhere. Let's get him going through there. Oops, I might just down. Okay, and the chocolate frog, I can sit around day 19, which will be tomorrow. Be another piece to the puzzle. Day 19. So there we have it, day 18 done. It was a minifig. Day 19 is, where is 19 on the board here? Just over here. That's where we'll be heading tomorrow. So I hope you can join me. Bye for now.